Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video we'll see the most requested topic on DBMS, that is B+Trees. Okay, B+Trees is very easy. It is similar to that of B-Trees. If you know B-Trees, B+Tree is very easy for you. It's okay if you don't know B-Trees. While doing B+Tree, I'll give you hints how a B-Tree looks like and what are the differences. Okay, so now suppose this is the question given to me. 5, 17, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95 and 99. Suppose this is the data given to me and I need to insert this data in B+Tree. So for that, what I need to do? Okay, one thing is the data given and the other thing is the order will be given. Okay, order of the tree. Order is indicated with M. Suppose the order is 4. Suppose if the order is 4, then what happens? The keys will become, I'll write here, keys will be M minus 1, that is obviously 3. Okay? Getting? If the order is 4, the keys will be 3. Keys means what? Hai kya ye? Keys is equals to 3 means what? See, when we are inserting the data in the form of a tree, अब tree में insert कर रहे हैं, B tree हो चाहे B+ tree हो, you are inserting the data in the tree. When you are inserting the data in a tree, you will be inserting in the form of a linked list. ठीक है, linked list आप use कर रहे हैं insert करने के लिए. So in a linked list, we all know we have a node. ठीक है, तो keys का मतलब क्या है? Keys is equals to 3 means the maximum number of elements that you can insert in this node is 3. ठीक है, 3 से ज़्यादा आप insert नहीं कर सकते in one single node. Okay, suppose one more element, you want to add one more element here. What you need to do? आपके पास 3 के बजाय 4 elements है. If you want to add them, what you need to do? You need to split this nodes further. ठीक है, जिसके जो child nodes हो जाएंगे. This is the parent node now and these are the child nodes. So in this also the child nodes will have 3 max capacity. Okay, जो भी आपका node बनेगा, that node will have a maximum capacity of 3. It can hold up to 3 elements. Clear? Done? Now next. See, the first element is what? 5. So I need to insert 5. As I know the capacity is 3, I'll draw a node of 3. So inserting first element 5. Okay? At this point we are considering that the tree is initially empty. ठीक है, initially आपका tree empty है, आपके tree में कुछ भी नहीं है. So a tree will look like this. Initially कुछ नहीं है, तो it will look like this. इसमें आप you are entering the first element, that is 5. Okay, clear? Next, 5 is done. So we'll strike off 5. Next is what? 15. So 5 के बाद you'll have 15. Obviously there is an empty space here. I can add 15 here. So 15. Clear? Suppose आपके पास यहाँ पर, suppose for example I'm showing you a scenario. If this was 5 and this was 15, तो आपके पास पहले 15 आ जाता था and then you need to insert 5. In this scenario what you will do, आप sort करेंगे पहले. 15 यहाँ पर है, you will not insert 5 here. ठीक है, you will not insert 5 here. You will sort it. पहले आप 5 insert करेंगे, then 15 insert करेंगे. You will insert 5 at this place and you will shift 15 to the other block. Getting? I'm saying you a scenario. This is also possible if your this data is not sorted. अगर sort नहीं है, this data is sorted. If you see 5, 15, 20 ascending order में है. अगर आपका data ascending order में नहीं है, so when you are inserting the data, you need to sort it. ठीक है? 5 आप क्या करेंगे पहले? 15 को you will send to the other block and 5 will be inserted here. चाहे B tree हो चाहे B+Tree हो. Getting? Clear? Now, okay. So 15 is done. Next is what? 25. So 15 is done. Let's see 25. 25 means यहाँ पर see there is an empty space here. So I can insert 25. So inserting 25. Now the next element is what? 35. 25 is done. Now the next element is 35. I need to insert 35 here. Okay, so see here 5, 15, 25. 35 will come at this place. But as we know the maximum capacity is what? 3. I cannot insert this. अगर मैं insert करना चाहूँ तो it will show you an overflow condition. ठीक है, so for that what you need to do, the numbers are this, right? 5, 15, 25, 25 and 35. Now you need to select the middlemost element. यहाँ पे if you see I've got an even number, so there will be 2 middlemost elements. Obviously this 2 will be the middlemost एलिमेंट्स। अब इसमें से आपको कोई एक चूज करना है, यू कैन चूज ईदर 15 और यू कैन चूज 25, इट्स अप टू यू, क्योंकि आपके पास दो मिडिल एलिमेंट्स है, यू विल गेट टू पॉसिबिलिटीज। सो 25 if I choose, sorry suppose 15 if I choose, ठीक है। तो इफ यू सी हियर 15 क्या है, ये डेटा के लेफ्ट साइड में है एंड 25 इज राइट साइड। इफ यू सी दिस इज लेफ्ट एंड दिस इज राइट, राइट। सो इफ यू आर चूजिंग 15, सो ये ट्री जो ट्री आपका फॉर्म होगा दैट विल बी अ लेफ्ट बायस्ड ट्री। इफ यू आर चूजिंग R, द राइट मोस्ट एलिमेंट, योर ट्री विल बी अ राइट बायस्ड ट्री, ठीक है। सो ठीक है, आई विल चूज 25. सो what happens, my tree will be a right biased tree. अब होता क्या, चूज तो कर लिए, नाउ व्हाट, हाउ विल द ट्री फॉर्म, यू नीड टू सेंड दिस एलिमेंट अप, ठीक है। आपके पास 5 एलिमेंट्स है, यू आर सेंडिंग दिस एलिमेंट अप। तो सपोज आई एम चूजिंग 25, सो व्हाट हैपेंस, 25 को आई एम सेंडिंग अप, व्हाट इज द टर्म्स रिमेनिंग, 5 and 15 on the left side and 35 on the right side. Why 5 and 15 on the left and why 35 on the right? We know that when we are inserting the data in the form of tree, we know this. Root element के left side में lesser elements आ जाएंगे, lesser than, and यहाँ पर greater than, ठीक है। ये आपका root element है, root element, this is your root, right? So root elements से जो भी छोटे elements है, lesser elements, smaller elements, root elements से जो भी smaller elements है that will come on the left side, and जो root elements से greater elements है that will be on the right side. Clear? So अब क्या हो जाएगा, my data will be split in this form. अब 25 is the root and these are the leaf nodes. ये root node है, this is the root node and these are the leaf nodes, ठीक है, LEAF, leaf node. In a tree root और leaves रहेंगे आपके पास, right? So this is the root and these are the leaves. या आप इसको parent बोल सकते हैं and इसको child बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है। Clear? So what happens here now? You want to insert 35, but the node is full. So what I'm doing, I'm choosing the rightmost element, ठीक है। These are 15 and 25 are the two middlemost elements. From that I'm choosing 25. I'm sending 25 up. So what happens? 25 and the 5 and 15 will be on this side and 35 will be on the other side. So here if you see, what happens? यहाँ पे सिर्फ 35 आना था, but what I'm writing 25 as well. 25 जो मैंने ऊपर भेजा है, I'm writing that as well. Why? This is the major difference between B tree and B plus tree is this. B tree में आप क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे directly 35 लिख देते हैं. You won't write 25. You will only write 35. ठीक है, but in B plus tree you will write 25. The one that you're sending up, the element that you're sending up will also be written here. Why? Because आपका जो ये leaf elements है, आपकी ये जो child elements है, leaf elements या child elements, वहाँ पे your entire data will be present in B plus tree. यही एडवांटेज है आपको B plus tree में. Let me just erase this. So in B plus tree, why are we writing this 25 in the leaf node? Because ये जो आपका leaf nodes रहेंगे, आपके जो leaf nodes रहेंगे, उसमें ये actual data will be present. This all data will be present. ठीक है, यहाँ पर. और यहाँ के जो elements है, this 25, 45, and here 25, 45, 65, this will act as index. B plus tree we are using in indexing, ठीक है। So this क्या है, this 25, 45, 65, this will act as index. आप क्या करते हैं, कोई भी बुक में you will open the index, you will see that page numbers and then you will move to that page numbers, right? Same way यहाँ पर भी you will see 25. Suppose if you want to search the number 45, what you will do in this tree, you will search for 25. We know 45 is greater than 25, so we'll go to the right side. So right side 45, like this. तो यहाँ पे you're using 25. This elements you're using them for indexing. आपका data, actual data, the complete data will be present in the leaf nodes. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ये पूरा data present रहेगा. These all numbers will be present. Whereas in B trees it is not the case. B trees में आपके पास क्या होगा, 25, 15, 5, 15. This 25 will not be there. 35, 45. So if you want to search, you have to go linearly. ठीक है, getting the major difference. Am I clear? I think I am clear. Okay, so जैसा जैसा मेरा ट्री कंस्ट्रक्ट होगा you will get to know how the entire data is present in the leaf. ठीक है, for now remember that when you are sending one element up, that element should be present in the leaf node. ये आपका root node है, ये आपके leaf nodes है, right? So the element that is going up should also be present in the leaf node. Clear? Done? Next. So this will, after inserting 25, this is the tree. So now the next element is what? 35. I need to insert 35. So if you see here, 35 is greater than 25, right? So I need to go to the right side. So right side, if you see here, this is 25, right? This is 25. So obviously I need to insert 35 here. Okay? Clear? Now next. Next is 35 is done. Next is 45. For inserting 45, see here. 45 is greater than 25. So I need to go to the right side. Right side, if you see 25, 35, 45 will come here. So 45. After inserting, this is the tree. So 45 will come here. One more thing that you need to remember while inserting is that, see, अब यहाँ पे when we are inserting 35, see, 25 के बाजू you are having space. You can insert 35 here. ये गलती नहीं करना है आपको, ठीक है? You cannot do this. Even though there is space here, you can insert, but you should not insert. Why? When you are inserting the data in B-trees, चाहे B-trees, चाहे B+Trees, when you are inserting the data should be inserted at the leaf node. अगर overflow हुआ तो then the element will go up. Okay? वरना you are only going to insert in the leaf nodes. यहाँ पे insert नहीं करेंगे, यहाँ पे insert करेंगे. Okay, 35 के लिए there is space here, but will not insert here. Will insert where? In the leaf node. Okay, clear? So now 45 is also done. यहाँ पर 45 is done. Next is 55. So in order to insert 55, see here, 55 is greater than 25. So I'll go to the right side. So on the right side, I need to insert 55 here, right? But the node is already full. I cannot insert it. The same thing. अब क्या होगा? I need to see the middlemost element. ये चार में से I need to see the middle. You have to add this term as well. आपको जो insert करना है element, you need to add that element as well. आप इन तीनों को रखे, the middle is 35. You cannot say that. The number that you want to insert, you need to include that number as well. Okay. After that, you need to check. So see here, 25, 35, 45, 55. The middlemost elements are 35 and 45. ठीक है? This is the second time that your node is overflowing, right? So first time जब आप insert करे थे, which element did you choose? The rightmost element. तो ये case में भी you need to choose the rightmost element. You cannot choose 35 now. Okay? अगर आप यहाँ पे 15 choose करते थे, the leftmost element. So in this case you have to choose 35, the leftmost element. ठीक है? जो आप previously choose करे उसी पे depend करता है यहाँ पर भी. Okay? अगर आप left choose कर रहे तो all the time you need to choose the leftmost element. Now if you are choosing the rightmost element, in every scenario you need to choose the rightmost element. Getting clear? Next. So what happens here? 45 will go up. So I have a vacancy here. There is an empty space. So I can insert 45 here. So the tree will now look like 25, 45. Now on the left side of 25 will be the terms that are lesser than 25. So 25 से less क्या है? 5 and 15. ठीक है, you have got two numbers now, 25 and 45. तो 25 और 45 के बीच में जो range है, उसके बीच में the numbers that falls in that range will be here. Between 25 and 45, the numbers that falls will be here. तो 25, ये इसमें देखिए आप, between 25 and 45 is 25 and 35. So 25 and 35. ठीक है, clear? So next 45. The numbers that are equal to or greater than 45 will be on this side. ठीक है? So 45, and what is the number greater? 55. Getting? One more point I need to say here. One more point I need to say here is that in some textbooks you find that यहाँ पे you have written 25 here, right? I'll say this. यहाँ पे हम split करे थे, right? तो 25 is going up. तो 25 यहाँ आ गया, and 25 and 35 we are writing this side. ठीक है? But in some textbooks you will find that 25 can also be written at this place. The numbers that are less than or equal to 25, ठीक है, can fall at this place. There is a possibility कि जो numbers 25 से less or equal है will be on this side. The numbers that are greater will be this side. Okay? In some textbooks ऐसा रहेगा. In some textbooks it will be the numbers that are smaller than the root node will be this side, and which is equal to or greater than will be on this side. ठीक है, the right side. Getting clear? There are some points that you need to remember while you're doing this. Okay, next one. So this is done, right? We inserted 55 now. So 55 is done. So this will be the tree that looks like this. Now I need to insert what? If I want to insert 65, so if you see here, 65 in this, 65 is greater than 25, so I'll move here. 65 is greater than 45, yes, so I'll go to the left hand side of 45. So left hand side of 45, I've got this node. Yahan pe there is a vacancy here, so I can insert 65 here. So inserting 65 will give you a tree like this. So 25, 45, 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55 and 65. Done? Clear? So now 65 is also done. Next, 75. If I want to insert 75, so if you see here, 75 is greater than 25. Okay, I'll move to 45. It is also greater than 45. So I need to go to the right side. Right side, तो आपके पास 75 यहाँ पर insert होगा, right? In a sorted manner. तो 75 यहाँ पे insert होना चाहिए. But as you can see, the list is what? Full. So it will give you an overflow message. What you need to do? Pick the middlemost elements from these four. The middlemost elements are these two. As you have chosen what? The rightmost element. So you are going to choose the rightmost element in this case as well. So 65 goes up. So when 65 goes up, here it should go, right? There is a vacancy here. So I can directly insert 65 here. Getting? In order to insert 75, I need to push 65 to the top. Getting? Now. So when I'm inserting 75, the tree will look like this. 25, 45, 65 is being pushed up to 65. So 5 and 15 as it is. Matlab the numbers that are lesser than 25 will be this side. Between 25 to 45 will be here. The greater than, see here, 45 and 65. One more case I have. So the numbers that are between 45 and 65 will be here. Getting? So the numbers between 45 and 65 are 45, 55. Getting? So 45, 55. Then greater than 65, 65 and 75. 65 and 75. As we are inserting in B+Tree, 65 will come here. Agar B tree hota to this would not come. Okay? Getting? The only difference in B and B+Tree is this. So 65 then 75. Clear? Easy? Next. 75 is done. Now let's insert 85. When I'm inserting 85, see, 85 is greater than 25, 45, 65. It is also greater than 65. So what will I do? I'll go to the right side. Okay. So right side, there is a vacancy here. 65, 75, there is a vacancy to insert 85. So I'll insert 85 directly here. Getting clear? 85 is also done. Now 95. I need to insert 95. So what I need to do? 25, 45, 65. It is greater than 65. So obviously I need to go to the right side. So right side mein jaungi. So if you see here, there is no place here. If I want to insert 95, there is no place. Same thing again. I need to choose the middlemost term. There are two middlemost terms. As I have chosen the rightmost element, in this case also I'll choose the rightmost element and send 85 up. Getting clear? Let me just erase this and draw the rest. Okay, so see here, the middlemost element is what? 85. We are sending 85 up. So when I'm sending 85 up, what happens? Even here the node is full. If I want to insert 25 here, I cannot do. So same thing again. Ye char mein se you need to pick the middlemost elements. You have got middlemost element as 45 and 65. From that you are going to choose 65, the rightmost element. Okay? Every time we are choosing the rightmost element, so we are going to choose 65 and when we are going to send 65 up. Okay? So this will be the tree. So 65 is going up, 65 is going up. So what are left? 65 se kam kya hai? 25 and 45. That will be on the left side. And which is greater than 65? 85. So 85 will be on the left side. So same thing, we are sending 65 up, so 65 will be present here, right? 65 and 85. Okay? This was the thing ye hum ab tak kare the, right? So one thing we need to know here, see, as I told you, this numbers 65, 85, 25, 45, 65 we are using them as index. Okay? We are using them for indexing. तो आप बताइए मुझे किसी बुक में दो इंडेक्स हो सकते हैं? लाइक एक ही चीज के दो इंडेक्स? नॉट पॉसिबल, राइट? नॉट नेसेसरी एक्चुअली. नॉट पॉसिबल क्या? नॉट नेसेसरी. एक ही इंडेक्स होता है हमारे पास। आप कोई बुक ले लें, उसमें आप अगर पेज खोलें तो फर्स्ट पेज क्या है, इंडेक्स का पेज। आपके पास 2 इंडेक्स होंगे, सेम सपोज पेज नंबर 65 या टॉपिक नंबर 65 के 2 इंडेक्स है, नो, राइट? सो सेम थिंग हियर, यू डोंट नीड द 65 अगेन, ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर यू हैव गॉट 1 index 165 or 1 index, you don't need again 65 here, not required, isn't it? So because already we have got an index and in the leaf node we have got the data, दोनों में भी है, यहाँ पर भी है, यहाँ पर भी है, so again 65 is not required. ठीक है, we are not going to write it again, simply I am going to write 85. ठीक है, this is the point that you need to remember. एक दफ़ा आ चुका है, so it's fine, it's okay, we don't need it again. Okay, clear? So 65, the numbers that are smaller than 65 will fall on the left and greater than 65 will fall on the right. If you are searching for any number, suppose you are searching for 85, so what you will see, you'll see 65, then you will say it is greater than 65, the number 85 is greater than 65. So what you're going to do, you're going to go on the left side. ठीक है, left side में right side of 65 you will find 85, but this is index, you're not going to see this. Index के बाद again you will see index के right में will be smaller elements and greater than will be on the right side will be the greater elements. So same thing, I'm going to go this side. Done. Next is 99. 95 is done. We are going to insert 99. For inserting 99, see, 99 is greater than 65, so obviously I'm going to go on the right side. So here 85 is also greater than 85, so I need to go on the right side of 85, not the left side, going on the right side. So here if you see 99 is greater than 85, okay, it is also greater than 95, okay, so I need to insert it here. I have a vacancy here, I'll insert it directly. ठीक है, done, clear? This is how we are going to insert the values in a B plus tree. ठीक है, again I'm saying in B trees, if I am inserting 85 here, I don't need again 85 here. If I am inserting 65 here, I don't need 65. If I am inserting 45, I don't need 45 here. But in B plus tree, you will have all the data in the leaf node. I told you at the beginning, right? 5, 15, 25, all these elements will be present in the leaf node. This is your leaf node, and if you can see here, all the elements are present. ठीक है, जितने भी क्वेश्चन में गिवन थे, all the data, all the elements are present in the leaf nodes. ठीक है, one more thing, what we need to mention here, this arrow marks, this connections. The nodes are connected with each other. ठीक है, यहाँ पर भी same, यहाँ पर भी same. Everywhere you need to have the nodes. Leaf nodes में the nodes are connected with one another. ठीक है, you need to mention this links. Clear? Easy, right? So this is how my B plus tree looks like. Clear? I think it is clear. And also I think you got the idea how to insert the data in a B tree. Okay, wait, I'll show you 2 to 3 examples, like this 2 to 3 data how to insert in a B tree. You will get an idea. Okay, we'll consider the same example, same example, and the order is also same. Suppose the order is 4. ठीक है, सेम थिंग, इफ द ऑर्डर इज 4, द कीज विल बी 3. सो एक लिस्ट में आपके पास 3 एलिमेंट्स आ जाएंगे, 3 एलिमेंट्स आ जाएंगे. ओके, सो दिस इज, मैं एक साथ लिखी यहाँ पर, आई रोट इट टुगेदर. यू हैव टू इंसर्ट फर्स्ट 5, देन 15, देन 25. फॉर एक्सप्लेनिंग आई जस्ट रोट इट डायरेक्टली. सो नेक्स्ट 3 elements I have inserted. Next element is 35. For inserting 35, see, same thing, 35 should be inserted here, but the node is overflowing, right? I cannot insert 35 there. Same thing, I need to take I need to see the middlemost element. As this is an even number, I'll get 2 middlemost elements. Same thing, you can choose either 15 or 25, your wish. Suppose we'll take 25 in this case. Up tak we took the rightmost element, we'll take leftmost element, for example. So I'm going to push this 25 to the root. ठीक है, now 15 becomes the root. 15 becomes the root. ठीक है, as the capacity is 3, I'm going to write 3. ठीक है, 15 is the root. Now what? The numbers that are smaller than 15 will be on the left side. ठीक है, I've got only one number, that is 5. ठीक है, the number that are greater than 15 will be on the right side. ठीक है, so what are the numbers that are greater? 25 and 35. 25 and 35. Got the difference? Here I'm not writing 15 again. I'm directly writing the numbers that are greater than 15. ठीक है, I'm not writing 15 here. अगर B plus tree होता तो what would I do? 15 भी include करना होता था मुझे, right? This will not be there. 3 nodes, 15 is also included. But in B tree, this is not the case. Major difference between B tree and B plus tree is this. I hope it is clear. Same thing आपको बाकी के insert करना है. Suppose this is done, 35 is done. Suppose 45 I am inserting, 45 is done. And if I want to insert 55, so for 55 will come here, right? So what happens? It is overflowing. The node is overflowing. I'll again go. I'll again see the middlemost terms. I've got two middlemost terms. As I have chosen the leftmost element, in this case also I'm going to choose the leftmost element. I'm not going to choose the rightmost element. Although 45 is also the middle term, but I'm not going to choose 45 because in the previous case I took the leftmost element. So in this case also I'm going to choose the leftmost element. Clear? Next. So 35 is going to be pushed up. So the tree will look something like this. I'll write it here itself. 35 is going to go up, right? So what happens here? Okay, so the numbers between 15 and 35 will fall here. Okay, 15, 25, 35. Only 25 is there. Okay, fine. Then the numbers greater than 35 will fall on the left side of 35. That is only one element we have, right? 45. 45 and 55. We had 55 as well. Okay. So this is how your tree will look like. Okay. Again, if you see here, if you notice, 35 is not present in the leaf. Similarly, 15 is not present in the leaf. Directly push कर रहे हैं आप, बाकी के elements को लिख दे रहे हैं. ठीक है? Clear? So this is my B plus tree and this is my B tree. Getting? And in both the trees, while you are inserting, if the data is not given in a sorted manner, suppose आपके पास 15 पहले है 5 बाद में है, you need to sort it while you are inserting. ठीक है? आप first 5 insert करें, suppose यहाँ पर first 15 insert करें, then आपके पास you have got 5. You are going to first shift this element. You are going to send 15 on the other side and insert 5 on the first place. Getting? You have to insert the data in a sorted fashion. Clear? I hope it is clear for you all. So that's it for this video. Thank you.